How to fix camera not working in the Windows 11. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your system settings, and here you have to go on your privacy and security. Now once you are in, you have to scroll down and find out the camera. Now once you are in the camera, you have to switch on the camera access. If it is off, you have to blue tick mark this to make sure that it is on. After that, you have to again go on your device manager settings, and here is the control panel device manager. Now once you are in, you have to open up the screen, and here is the option of the cameras. You have to click on this tab button and go on the camera, and here you have to update your driver. But if you want to uninstall your device, after uninstall you have to go on the Dell camera drive Windows 11, and here you have to click on it. Now once you're in, you have to scroll down, and here is the Dell camera firmware tool. You have to simply download this. So yeah, this is how you can fix camera not working in the Windows 11.